Saturday, so we get to start a little bit later today with work. So I'm gonna start getting ready. What? There's a Sephora, there's a Trader Joe's, there's a Soma, there's a bar, there's a whole... No. So we're going to get ready for the day, and then we're going to celebrate my birthday because I have to have an actual celebration day because I'm like a little kid. And we're all gonna get ready because we just woke up and it's late. 9 o'clock on Sunday, and then we're going to go, and then so excited. We're going shopping. Yay, look where we're going. Watch, ready? Here it comes. We're on the right. It's right next door to Trader Joe's. We're going to Kitchen Capers to see if we can find something in there, and then we're going to Sephora to get my free birthday gift, and then Trader Joe's is right next door, and I haven't been in Trader Joe's in forever, and it's one of my favorite places. So super duper excited. So Kitchen Capers was a fail because they actually are closed, which is sad. And then we went to Sephora and I got my free gift, so I picked the Laneige one, and then the nice lady at the counter gave me a little sample of the Glam Glow mask too. And then Trader Joe's was also a fail because there's a line wrapped around the building. So we are gonna skip that for today. So now we're heading to Ulta. So I'm getting this because of Meg. See, Meg, see? There it is. All right, now we're gonna test out the new Dollar Tree they just put in. One of my coworkers told me about. This is a huge one. And it's like completely new. Lunchtime. Lunchtime. It's the most amazing salad. It's chicken, portobello mushroom, and artichokes, and mozzarella. So good. We have been driving around all day, going to a million stores, trying to get an air fryer because that's what I asked for my birthday, and we finally got an air fryer from Best Buy, and I got a car mount finally. Now we're getting gas and we're going home because Dominik is cranky. Oh, good morning. Today is the 8th of March, Monday. I am headed to work. Dominik is with me. Someone thought it would be a nice idea to make a threat towards his school yesterday, so they closed them for investigation purposes, so he's going to work with me. And I did not sleep for more than probably 1 hour last night, so today is going to be a very, very interesting day. And we had some guests at our house last night, which was fun, and Dominik made me a special birthday treat, which was, what are they called? Like cream puffs, but they turned into like cream puff sandwiches, and they were really good because they were covered in chocolate. And we had dessert, and we were gone all day yesterday, which you should have seen some clips, but then because of that, the house got messy again. So when I come home, it's going to be, that is the goal, to get that back to where we were the other day so that the rest of the week is not stressful, and then we can see what else we can get done this week, because I am planning on getting down in that basement. So that is the plan. Let's see if it happens. Right here is the air fryer that we decided on. So we got this one from Best Buy, and Frankie keeps heating it up, or trying to heat it up. So I'm going to attempt my first try at this, and I'm going to try it with the other half of that bag of asparagus that we had from Costco. So I hope it turns out good, and I'm really excited. So as for dinners, this is like a mess right now, but this is filled with leftovers from the last couple days because we have that smoker and it cooks a lot of meat at the same time. So yeah, other than the mess, we're just going to eat leftovers. Look how yummy it looks. It's perfection. So excited. Good morning. Now, I obviously just woke up, but it is Tuesday and I went to bed so early last night because, as I mentioned before, I only slept for like an hour the night before, so I was pretty exhausted when I came home. But we did test out the air fryer and it was very, very good, and now I'm excited to try it again and do something else. And I did a little bit of cleanup, but I noticed that, sorry, I'm watching the cat in front of me, that as things come in, or like as little messes happen, I'm noticing that if I just address them right away, then kind of let it go, then I keep up with things a lot better than ever before. So I'm trying to just kind of do that as I go along and not just kind of walk away and move on to the next thing, because I do that a lot. I just constantly like on to the next thing, on to the next thing. So yeah, so today is going to be a long day because it's a Tuesday. So when I come home, it'll probably be around 8:30 and it'll be just kind of eat and go to bed. So we'll see. Always a struggle to find the right key. I have no energy. I'm so stuffy. I can't breathe. I can't smell. I can't taste. I'm being dramatic. But I'm so beat. I have one more day to get through tomorrow, and then it's a weekend. I'm making one of those meals right now, and it's this sweet ponzu beef bowls, and we've had these before and they're really good. It has with pickled cucumber and wasabi aioli and it's really good. But look how much stuff is with this. Like, I have all these little bowls of stuff mixed or separated to put it together. It's a concoction for sure, but it's really good. Yeah.